I've been going to the gym only on Saturdays and Sundays. Everything else is a weekday. My name's Victor Ashley, and I'm a real estate agent out of Seattle, Washington. If you'd like to contact me, my contact information is in the description below, as well as you can leave a comment, and I'll be happy to review your situation and see if there's a video I can make about that in the future. So I want to say thank you to anyone that's been watching my videos. We're right at 94 subscribers as of today, and I'm really trying to get to 100. So please hit that subscription and that subscription button. I just really appreciate your support. So if you are new to the channel, I've been reviewing the zip code of 98117 along with a couple others in the North Seattle area. And let's go into our description today right now. So let's go into directly Crownhill neighborhood, and this is the 98117 zip code. So this is just north of Ballard, this is west of Green Lake, and this is south of Shoreline. Also, just so you have a landmark, this is roughly 8 miles north of the Seattle Space Needle, and this is right next to Golden Gardens Park as well. And there's a couple of other parks that are of note, and that's the Carkeek Park as well, but that's just a little bit north of that. So I wanted to give you an idea where it actually is, and then we're going to go into the description. Now, if you're unaware of my method, what I do is I review all the homes that are available for sale every week in a particular zip code. And I throw out all the $1 million homes. And the reason why I do that is because the buyer curve. Now, the buyer curve, the homes that are actually bought in these areas, more than likely they're under $1 million based on the buyer plot map and everything like that. And I can get into that specifically later at a different video. But this is actually what the majority of people actually buy in this area. So I wanted to give you a quick idea of what we were looking at, and then I can go into the description. So when I throw out the $1 million homes and also the duplicates, because there are a couple of duplicates that get listed in the MLS, I come out with 21 homes, and I have them ranked right now with a breakdown of price per square foot. Now, we have an average price per square foot of $599, and that's just a good arbitrary number. So now we have an idea of what it actually costs to buy this house on a basis of cost per square foot. Now, what does this house even look like? This house is just under 1,400 square feet, 2 beds, 2 bath, and it's $796,000 to buy. Now, what that looks like in a mortgage today is you need a household income of $225,000 and roughly a down payment of $60,000 with today's interest rates being at 7.125. And then at the same time, everybody's FICO and financial situation is completely different. So I just give you a baseline idea just so you have an idea of what this would actually look like. And again, this is not yours in particular. Just reach out to me and I'll get you in touch with one of the people I could recommend. So on a monthly basis, though, this is what it would come to. This is $4,960 a month, and this is only your principal and your interest. Now, that does not include any kind of taxes, any kind of HOAs, any kind of special assessments, and then at the same time, your insurance is not included in this. So I just want to give you a general idea of what it would cost to buy in this area. Now, also, just because I'm a good real estate agent, and I want to give you an idea also of the rent range. So right now, if you bought this exact house and you put it on the market, you would be losing money because right now it costs 168% more to buy right now than it does to rent. And what that comes out to is if you were to rent this exact house, you came to me and you said, hey, Victor, I don't want to buy a house right now, but instead I want to be a renter still. That's fine. I'm a renter also, so I understand your situation. But this would come into, this would be just a little under $3,000 a month, just so you have an idea of your cost difference from renting to buying. So this is very important because if you bought a house recently in the last year or two and you have some sort of life event, and you can watch my video right here about life events, as well as I break it down, is it better to rent or is it better to sell? But right now, rents right now are not supporting the mortgage rates that we're at today. So I just wanted to go into the direct idea of what that looks like. And let's go into a review of 2 homes that we can look at. And this is in roughly the $599. So you have an idea of what we are actually having on the market right now today. So we're going to go a little bit below our market, and this is $513 a square foot, and this is number 20. So number 20, the reason why I picked this one is because this one is newer on the market right now. This has been on the market only for 5 days, so this is the first week it's been on. It's $975,000 at the list price, 4 beds, 2 bath, and 1,900 square feet. So this is just a little bit above our current average. This qualifies for a cash out, a conventional, an FHA, and a VA. And then at the same time, this is some of the older homes that we've been seeing in this market that have been remodeled, and they've been put back out for the general population to actually go out and buy at this time. So if I go into it, here's our price per square foot again. It's $513 a square foot, and this is below our average of $599. But also because I did a previous video, I know that our average right now for closed homes are about $575,000. So this is still below market, but at the same time, this is 80 years old. So this was built in 1945. You can tell actually the home has been upkept. It has had a remodel, but at the same time, you want to keep in mind that a lot of the amenities, like any kind of HVAC or any kind of air conditioning is more than likely not at this home. And then you're more than likely just dealing with some sort of floorboard heating, and you have a potential of running into a wiring issue also. Now I'm going to show you something that is almost exactly at market right now, and you can give you an idea of what you're competing with. And this is number 18. Number 18 is a new construction home. It's almost done, and it's not done yet. But I've been driving past these for about 2 years now, and I want to give you an idea of what you're actually looking at. So not only do you have an older home that's 80 years old, but now you have a new construction home that is coming on. It's not even done yet. And at the same time, you could see right here in this picture, they don't even have the driveway poured yet. But this is a brand new home with all the amenities at this time. And at the same time, when you look at the price per square foot, this is $600 a square foot. And this is this is something that we're running into at this current moment, is the new construction homes are coming on, and they're almost the exact same price as the existing homes. So now you have an idea, because this is just at $880,000, and it's been on the market for 53 days, and it is just above our average of 1,461 square foot, and it's 3 beds and 2 baths. So now you have an idea of actually what's been going on in this market. I want to say thank you for watching my reviews. You can reach me directly with a comment by leaving a comment below or getting a hold of me in the description. And then at the same time, I'm looking forward to hearing any kind of feedback that you have. I've been doing these now for about 3 months, and I'm changing up my process a little bit just so it's a little more user-friendly. But I appreciate your time. And as always, I look forward to working with you again. Have a pleasant day.